Hello friends, welcome back to Python on phone programming series. In this video, we are going to write a program to check the given number is a prime number or not. So first thing first, let's open the editor, and here I will take the input, which is a number here. Enter the number, and let's close it. So now write a program to check if the given number is prime number or not. So what is the logic for checking that? So let's take a for loop, and I will start the loop from I in range. I will start from 2 till the given number. Okay. If the given number, which is num, is divisible by I, okay, it's equal to 0, which means, okay, and this means it's not a prime number. And let's break this one after this, because we don't want to execute anything else. Okay, after, I mean, if the loop has executed completely and at least one time also this condition, which is a num percentile 1 is not true, that means it is a prime number. So let's print it's a prime number. That's it. Okay, save the program and let's take the input. Now what is the number that we want to check? Let's start with 11. 11 is a prime number. Okay, so let's run one more time, and this time give 15 as a input. 15 is not a prime number, obviously. So that's simple it is, guys. I mean, this is how we can write a program to check if the given number is a prime number or not. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section below. But